Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make these really cute little chunky s'mores. Start off, you've got the end of the yarn in your left hand. You're going to wrap around your index finger and middle finger and create an X. Turn over. Get your crochet hook, go under the first loop and then over the second and pull through. Turn your crochet hook towards you and then we're going to pick up this bit of yarn and pull through. And now you've got a loop and we're going to work 6 single crochets into the circle. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you've got 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops. And we're going to repeat that another 5 times. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through both loops. Once you've got the 6 stitches, you're going to grab the loose end and pull tight. Now we're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch. So you'll insert your hook into the first stitch, single crochet, and then go back into that same stitch. Grab your stitch marker and put it into the first stitch you created. And we're going to repeat that all around, so 2 stitches in each stitch. So you'll end up with 12 in total. For the next round, we're going to do 1 single crochet and then an increase. So in the first stitch, 1 single crochet. Grab your stitch marker, put your stitch marker into the first stitch, and then in the next stitch, 2 single crochets. Again, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and repeat that all around. For the next round, we are going to do 2 single crochets and then an increase. So 1 stitch, insert your stitch marker, another stitch in this the second one, so you've got 1, 2, and then an increase. Again, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then an increase, and repeat that around. Next round is the last increase round, so we're going to do 3 single crochets and then an increase. So 1 single crochet, another single crochet, and then another one, so we've got 3, and then an increase. So 1, 2, 3, increase, and repeat that all around. Okay, so now you've done all of your increase rows, your work should look something like this. So now we're going to do single crochet all around, but we're going to work into the back loop only. So to do that, we were going under both these loops. It's quite hard to see with white yarn, but there's 2 loops that we were going under. We're just going to go into the back loop. So you're going to insert your hook in between these stitches and go under just 1 loop. So the loop furthest away from you, and single crochet as normal. Again, into the back loop, single crochet, and repeat that all around. So now your work should look something like this. We're going to do 4 more rows of single crochet but into both loops. So just single crochet as normal for 4 more rounds. Okay, so now you've done your 4 single crochets, it will start to curve, and if you don't see a curve, what you can do is just push in the base and you should see it starts to form kind of like a basket shape. So now we're going to start decreasing. So to do this, we are going to do 3 single crochets and then a decrease, and we're going to work into the back loop only. So for this round, go into your back loop, single crochet, two more single crochets into the back loop, and then we're going to do a decrease. So to do a decrease, we're going to go into the back loop, then put your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through both those loops. Now you've got two loops, yarn over, pull through again, and then just pull to tighten, and that creates a decrease. So again, single crochet 3 times, and then decrease, and repeat that all around. Now we're going to insert the safety eyes in between rows 8 and 9 with about 6 stitches in between. For the next round, we're going to do 2 single crochets and then a decrease, and we're working into both loops now. So 2 single crochets, and then a decrease. So for this decrease, because we're not working into the back loop anymore, we're going to go into the front loop to do our decrease. So into the front loop of the next 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again, and then pull tight. And then again, 2 single crochets and then a decrease, and repeat that all around. Now we're going to do 1 single crochet and then a decrease. So 1 single crochet, decrease, repeat that all around. Now it should look something like this, and we are going to start stuffing. Once you've finished stuffing, we are going to do a decrease in each stitch around. Now you should have a little hole, and we're going to just yarn over, pull through, and then we're going to just cut our yarn and fasten off. Take your stitch marker out. It should look something like this. We're going to close off the bottom. So to do that, you're going to grab your darning needle, and we're going to go into the front loop only of each stitch around. Pull tight and then just tie off. And then cut your yarn. And that is the crochet part of the marshmallow done. To do the cracker part of the s'mores, we are going to grab our beige yarn or our light brown yarn, and we're going to chain. So we're going to make a slip stitch, insert your hook, and we're going to chain 13. So yarn over, pull through 13 times. Okay, so we've got our 13 chains. We're now going to single crochet in the second chain from hook. So you've got your first chain, we're going to go into this second chain, insert your hook and do a single crochet, and now we're going to single crochet all the way down. So you should end up with 12 stitches in total. Once you've single crocheted to the end, it should look something like this, and you'll have 12 stitches. We're going to chain 1, turn your work, and continue to single crochet in each stitch along. We're going to keep single crocheting and turning until we've got 10 rows in total. Okay, once you've got 10 rows, it should look like this. We're going to yarn over and fasten off, and you're going to repeat that one more time with the light brown yarn. So one more of these, and then we're going to do the exact same thing but with the dark brown yarn for the chocolate. You should now have 4 squares, 2 light brown, 2 dark brown. And what we're going to do is now sew them onto the marshmallow. So you want the light brown to be on the top and then the dark brown to be on the bottom. And that is your s'mores complete.